Students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our third chapter, that is the decimals. So in previous classes already we have discussed about that different part of the decimal, that is comparison of the decimals, and also we have discussed the conversion decimals, and also we have discussed about that what are the decimal places also and expanded form. But students, today we are going to discuss about that what is the addition and subtraction of decimals and applying that using in our daily life, how decimals we are using, some problems we will solve. So let us discuss about that how we will do that addition or subtraction of that decimals. So look at here students, some general questions which one we have studied already. I mean 6th standard, 5th standard already have, 6th standard already have studied how to the addition, subtraction, multiplication of the decimals. But once I will recall that and once I will remind you. Students, observe here addition and subtraction of the decimals. Okay. So now example 1 I have written here. Look, add, read the questions. 32.001 and 1.305. Yes, the two decimals are there. One is 32.001, another one is 1.305. We have to add. So look at the solution. You should write by column method. You can add 32.001 plus we have to add that, and according to the place that you have to write 1.305. 305. Just general like that you have to add. Okay. Now 5 plus 1, that is 6, 0. Now 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Then decimal point. This is 3 and 3. This is our answer. Okay. Now friends, question B also I will do here. Solution B. That's 61.138 and 4.03. Here how many decimal places are there, friends? The 3 decimal places is there, and here 2 decimal places are there. Okay. So now we have to add. So first of all write down that 61.138 and 4.03 there. So look at here friends, that means these are not like decimals, because the decimal places is 3, here this is 2. So we have to make it like decimals, so adding with 0 right sides. So listen students, whenever you will put that zeros of that extremely right side of that decimal number or decimal points, that time there is no change of its value. So if 4.03 I will put here 0, the value won't change. Why we should do this? Because we have to make it like decimals, then it is easy to add. So now look at here students, that is actually 03, but after 03 after I added that 0. Why? If you put that 0 also, that value won't change. So it is very easy to add value. So it is 8, 3, 3, 6 and 1. This is 1 plus 4, 5 and 65. So did you understand friends? If according to your places, decimal places, you have to make it if possible. Which one right side you have to put, you can add some zeros. Okay. Now students, we can go for that one example 2. That is really careful that questions. Ramu went from place A to B. Here one figure it is given. So according to that figures, that question is there. So you should read. Ramu went from A to B. Ramu is one of the student. From A to B he is going, and from there from B to place C. That means Ramu is going like this up to C. That means A to C you want to go, and A distance A from B is equal to 8.5 km. This is A to B is 8.5 km distance, and B is 12.7 km from C. From C to B distance how much is 12.7 km. Same like students, Raju is another one students. He wants to go from A to D, and from there from D to C. That means Raju also another students Raju, and he wants to go this way, alternative this path, and also must want to reach at C. The question is here, and here given that A to D is 9.1 km and D to C is 11.8 km. Okay. Now question is, who travel more? Raju, this side going A, B, C through via B, and who is that? Ramu. Ramu is going A to C via B, but Raju is going from A to C but via through that D. So that means which travel more distance. So we have to find out first A to B and B to C, that distance, and A to D and D to C, the distance. Then we can compare it. Okay. So now look at the solution. We can say first one, Ramu travel. What is that? A to B and B to C, that is AC. That is AC, A to C. Okay, and so is equal to, we can write AB, that is AB plus BC. Okay, AB plus BC. So is equal to AB how much? 8.5 kilometer plus 12.7 kilometer is equal to how much we will get? We have to see. You can add 21.2 kilometer. Okay. Who? Ramu traveling A to C. Same like it. Raju travel from A to D and D to C, that is A to C. Yes or no? That means what will get? AD plus, that means A to D means AD plus CD. So DC is equal to AD how much? 9.1 plus 11.8. How much will get? Is equal to 19.9 kilometer. If you add this, you have to add roughly 9.1 11.8. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 11 plus 9, sorry, this is 20. No, yes, sorry. So this is 20.9 kilometers. So now we have to compare. Here 21.2, this is 20.9. Clearly that Ramu traveled more distance. Yes or no? Hence, how much? Ramu traveled more distance than Raju. Okay. So now look at the students. What you have to do now? I will explain here. This one. How I should do? How much it will be? We can do subtraction. How much it will be? That more is there. Who? Ramu. So 21 points. Right. More distance traveled by Ramu is equal to 21.2 kilometer minus 20.9 kilometers. So is equal to, you can subtract 21.2 20.9. Okay, if you subtract, what will you get? Carry the 12, this is 12, 9 means 3, here 0, so 0, so 3 this much kilometers, hence 0.3 kilometers. Okay, so now hence Ramu traveled 0.3 kilometer more than Raju. Okay, now what you have done? First of all, A to B and B to C, that this distance you have to add. That is the distance traveled by the Ramu. A to D and D to C, that distance you have to both have to add. That is the distance. What is that? Distance traveled by the Raju. Now both we have to compare it. If you see which one is more, Ramu is traveling more distance. So that's why Ramu distance we have to subtract. So 0.3 kilometers. Okay. Now friends, you should see that here. Exercise your 3.1. Question number 4 and 5 I will do. Write the following decimals in expanded form. Already I have told you, but once again I will do. This first question, students. 12.79 expanded form. So as usual, whole numbers you know that, and this is the 10th place and this is 100th place. So place value with its place value you have to multiply. So first place, this is which place? 10th place. So 1 into 10 plus 2 plus this is 7 into 1 by 10 plus 9 into 1 by 100. So we can write this is 10 plus 2 plus 7 by 10 plus 9 by 100. This is our expanded form. Same like students, B we can do 234.95 is equal to, first this is place value, first place value 2, its place value is 100, this is place value is 3, place value is 3 into place value 10, it's 4 into 1 plus this is 9 face value and place value is 1 by 10, 5 into 1 by 100. So now what we get? 200 plus 30 plus 4 plus 9 by 10 plus 5 by 100. This is our expanded form. Okay. Now students, question number 5 you have to do. How much less is 17 km from this? कितना less है? 17 km from this. So that solution we can write according to the question. Directly we can write according to the question. 28.3 km minus 17 km is equal to, we can subtract 28.3, 17.0 we have to put 3, 8, 7 means 1 and 11. So 11.3 km. Hence 11.3 km less is 17 km from 28.3 km. Okay, this is our answer. Remain with stress you have to complete. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.